Only Bataka me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bring on another new and yes exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, with one of the biggest cosigns in dancehall history currently. When we say that, we mean as a young artist in the industry to be featured on one of the biggest, no, let's say this, the biggest dancehall album for 2020, viewers and subscribers. We can't just overlook that. Now, people are saying Skillibeng has proven, viewers and subscribers, to the dancehall industry that he is not a one-hit wonder. And his song, viewers and subscribers, titled Mr. Universe. Some people are saying there are lines from that song in particular that are aimed directly at Alkaline. Now, let's look at the reason. In the track titled Mr. Universe, viewers and subscribers, there's a line of Skillibeng saying, "Over style my kidnap, but not sound like nobody else in existence, him roll him split hot." Now, viewers and subscribers, we know in the dancehall industry there's one artist who we know was brought to prominence by using someone else's style, and then even when the spotlight was more in focus on him and his career, when him tell the people, him say, "No, I know somebody else's style me I use," when them see the style upon him career. Now, that line in particular have some vendetta fans that say, that him say, some are saying that, you know, on Alkaline him attack, them are going to have to say that because them don't want to remind fans say, yo, as somebody's style him a use. Now, the artist also go on to say, tell some kleptomaniac, them better know for respond. Now, for those who don't know who is a kleptomaniac, that term refers to somebody who, them say, take things where even unnecessary to take. Like how Alkaline that take even the way Vybz Kartel state certain statements, even the style away me that say, to even the flow, to even the look. Kleptomaniac. Now, people are saying that Skillibeng simply do this because, you know what I mean, him a link with Vybz Kartel. Well, really and truly, Mr. Universe was released around the time when Chronicler and Alkaline did I got it. No, I think Jamil. Yeah, him and Jamil got it at that point in time. And that was when the song did release. If I remember, say, yo, Chronic and Skilly, Poppy, I want, you know what I mean? I want a region. You have to know a Eastside, Gaza, the thing there. I want a region, a movement. You know the something go. So, naturally, when certain talk I make expression in the dancehall industry, people who aligned with who them aligned with, whether it be based on friendship or, you know, a lineage in the music industry. Song I make. So people are now saying that, you know, them I look forward to a lyrical confrontation with Alkaline and Skillibeng. I don't feel like it's going to take place. I'm not sure if it's going to take place. Alkaline is known for this. Specifically choosing which artist he's going to respond to. And then him is an artist when I put out song in a timely fashion. So it's almost like he might respond to a song, but he might respond to a song months later. And you know what I mean? It's almost like it don't make no sense. So, I doubt him gonna make a response. This track wasn't a full what people that consider quote unquote a diss track. This was the track where he makes some statements tonight. Some very truthful statements in the dancehall music. And you know what I mean? Alkaline here, no doubt about it. But him strategically choose not to answer. But the fans them must say, yo, this is a bit something that excites dancehall in this time. Talk to me in the comment section, I know how you feel. Skillibeng has already, as well him saying him own song, give them the break with an easy entrance. Him David think a sweat drop. Him accomplished with one hit single where some people normally take all 4 or 5 hit singles to accomplish. He make a name for himself with one song. Very few artists can make a name for themselves with one song. Till the facts the people say, yo, him now can't find no more hit. And what him do is actually show people say, yo, the style and the flow, and we not far just with one song. We actually have studied the game. And we actually have studied the forerunners who are in the game currently. And even the foundation, the people who set it for it reach where it reach right now. Him say massive far. You know what I mean? Him say him times him vision with the distance of the sun times 100 million. Light years away, him say my vision the game. So, with that being said, no doubt him already prepared for a lyrical confrontation from any artist. Some people even said the song was geared towards a next Eastside artist. We're not talking about that right now. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're not talking about that right now. Him not officially forward out and make a statement, nor as the other artists forward out and make a statement. So we're not going to talk about that. Because really and truly the hope is that them can, you know what I mean? We see them a link from a good time now. So the hope is that them can start up wherever go on and start, you know, link on the music again. I told them sound like good artists. I'm not going around them. Listen to the two of them and I told them sound like good artists. Very lyrically potent. So I look forward for hearing even a feature from the two of them. So while people are them not really link now, hopefully that will be put to the side and the focus can return to music, and you know what I mean? Then we can put on some good music together. But talk to me in the comment section, I know how you feel. Skillibeng, Alkaline, is that a possibility? Would that even be worth the viewers' attention? Would the audience react well to a Skillibeng and Alkaline clash? But feel like say, yeah, the people like to hear that. The people would like to hear that. And now, we can consider this. First, we know Mov and Jamil are really fit for that type of lyrical area. A matter of fact, none of the artists them Alkaline associate himself with, they look like them war already. But, you know, I guess people that want to see intense in a lyrical confrontation too. So people that probably want to Skilly rub him at the same time too. Rub him out at the same time too. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, yeah. Because we notice Savage make him sing and then no answer. We notice Savage drop the tracks and, you know, Alkaline now respond to Savage. So, we could see if him would respond to Skillibeng. If Skillibeng would drop a song officially and say, watch your man, Alkaline we attack. Because we know you to say it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Him done point it out already with a style him I use. It not sound like him I use nobody else's style. It sound like a theme style. So him already bring to the table originality. Of which some artists and their career now, them can never ever say them a bring originality. That is something them can't say. We them say them create waves. We don't know what them really are saying. Them say them a whaler. We don't know what the statement really was about. But I guess what them that try to say is that them set trends. What trend? Is it that trend, the trend of using someone else's style and not paying homage? Because if intense, I use the same style where him use from the teacher. Where theme songwriter. And that's something to be talked about too. I wonder if when him did I say him not use the teacher style, him mean say yo, him not write the song them. So now him a do it. Or the person where I write the song them. Food for thought, you know? Maybe that's why him did I try to say all along. But him never realize if him reveal that too, he would have revealed say, I'm a songwriter, I say never want to do that neither. That's definitely another theory. Maybe him that try to point out all along say yo, and me I write my song them. So and me I choose to use style from the teacher. I'm a songwriter. Maybe him should just say that and done. Maybe dancehall look on the situation differently. Maybe him should say that and done. There are only prominent artists in the dancehall music who have prominent careers. I will know say yo they not write them song. Your friend Mob not write no song. We know this for a fact. And you see me? Nobody not look upon him different. Bob, we know Bob and write song, we know him a singer. You know what I mean? So maybe you should just say that and done. But talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Let me know if you feel like say yes, Skillibeng ready for take on a lyrical confrontation. And let me know if you feel like that artist should be Alkaline. Talk to me. By the one called Jayden, she's a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding them now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as upon the platform. The like icon that we know. in close proximity of the share icon. When you drop a like and share the vlog, set speed. You know the something go. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason. Join the discussion, the comment section. Open as I say 24/7. Never lock yet. Just be respectful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Yeah, man, now move settings fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours if we no live, love, and prosper until we reason again.